Now that we understand the concept of trend, let's move a little bit further. Let's examine in more detail another very important concept, the concept of uptrend. What is uptrend? Remember that uptrend is the direction of successive tops and bottoms. It's the direction of successively higher tops and higher bottoms. Now, the question is, what is the minimum number of tops and bottoms required to define an uptrend? Going back to Charles Dow's theory and, of course, Elliott Wave's theory, I can confidently say that we need 2 higher tops and 2 higher bottoms, 2 successively higher tops and 2 successively higher bottoms. And of course, remember that an uptrend will continue to move higher and higher until it reverses. This reminds me, by the way, a law of physics, and more precisely Newton's first law of motion, that states that an object in motion will continue to move in the same direction until an external force acts upon it and it will change direction. So physics, guys, makes the world go round, or maybe it's money. I get confused all the time with that. Nevertheless, let's move on. So since uptrend will cause prices to move higher and higher, what is the more sensible thing to do? Buy or sell? If you said buy, then I'm with you. Excellent, very good. Now, of course, that we understand uptrend, let's move on and define downtrend in more details.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to keep up with new videos.